Welcome to the Learning and Development Channel, where you can learn, lead, and make a difference.
Good day sa lahat. Mayroon po tayong bagong update regarding the 2021 English Category B. So may bagong kalalabas lang po na memorandum DMOU HROD 2024-1740 entitled The Evaluation and Certification of Fiscal Year 2021 English Category B. So, first sentence sabi dito with reference to DepEd Memorandum number 13 series of 2024 titled Administration of the Fiscal Year 2023 Inquest, Item 7 states that FY 2021 inquest takers who belong to Category B shall no longer take the examination. Upon completion of their coaching and mentoring sessions, they will undergo an evaluation and certification process by the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, NAEAP. In view of this, the fiscal year 2021 Inquest Category B per region who completed the coaching and mentoring certified by their respective regional directors shall undergo the evaluation and certification process on September 28, 2024 in the following venues. So ito na po yung inaantay ng ating mga Enquest Category B ng fiscal year 2021, the evaluation and certification by the NAEAP. So ito po yung mga venues for Cluster 1 sa Subic po kayo. Ang mga target participants po dito ay ang CAR Region, Region 1, 13 po sila, Region 2, 29 po sila, Region 3, 107. So sa Cluster 1 sa Subic, Zambales, there are total of 159 participants for the evaluation and certification. So ang mga program management po dito ay galing sa CO, sa RO, sa SDO personnel, assessors, and facilitators. Bumubo po sila ng 19 from Zambales. Sa venue ng Zambales. Sa Cluster 2, ang venue ay Cavite. Ang mga participants dito ay ang NCR 119, Region 4A from Cavite 84, Region 4A from Laguna 98, Region 4A from Rizal 64, and Region 4B from Palawan 33, a total of 398 participants in Cluster 2. For Cluster 3 in Lipa City, Batangas, ang mga participants ay from Region 4A, Batangas, 105 po sila. Region 4A, Quezon, 187. Region 4B, Mindoro, 35. Region 4B, Marinduque, 17. Region 4B, Romblon, 14. At saka Region 5, 103. A total of 461 participants in the Cluster 3 venue of Lipa City, Batangas. In Cebu City, dito po ang mga participants from Region 6, 97 po sila. Region 7, 160. Region 8, 66. Region 9, 152. So there will be a total of 475 participants from the different regions in the venue in Cebu City. For Cluster 5, the venue is in Cagayan de Oro. The participants from Region 10, 41, Caraga, 113. There will be a total of 154 participants, 18 of which are the program management team. For the Cluster 6, the venue is in General Santos City. There will be 195 participants from Region 11 and 158 from Region 12, a total of 353 participants. 38 of them are for the program management team. So the specific venues will be issued in a separate memorandum that is on September 28. So for the fiscal year 2021 Enquest Category B candidates, they are advised to be at their venues on September 27, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Huwag pong pauhuli. The accommodation shall be provided. The first meal to be served is afternoon snack on the first day, and the last meal is lunch on the following day. So, nandito po ang meals ng evaluation and certification. Nandito po sa table. So, PM snack and dinner for the first day, and on the second day, breakfast, snack at lunch. Further, the fiscal year 2021 EngQuest Category B candidates must be able to register through this link: https://tinyurl.com/2021catb-regxassess for confirmation of attendance and participation in the evaluation and certification on or before September 15, 2024 at 5 p.m. So, as of this recording, we have September 8. So, malaki-laki pa ang time para makapag-register. Dapat ma-inform po lahat ng mga EngQuest Category B natin in this registration and confirmation link. The regional and the schools division offices shall identify personnel who will serve as members of the program management group and will work closely with the central office personnel. So, ang mga regional office at division offices ay mag-identify po ng mga members ng program management. The board and lodging of the Category B candidates for the fiscal year 2021 EngQuest and all the members of the program management group across governance levels, meaning yung region, yung CEO at saka yung sa SDO, shall be charged against the NAIAP HRD funds. Traveling expenses of all the members of the program management group across the governance levels shall also be charged against the NAIAP HRD fund, while transportation, per diem, and other incidental expenses for the fiscal year 2021 EngQuest Category B candidates shall be charged to RO, SDO, local funds, subject to the usual accounting and auditing rules and regulations. So kung mayroon pong tanong, please contact the BHROD HRDD through bhrod.hrdd@deped.gov.ph or the NAIAP PDD at naiap.pdd@deped.gov.ph. Immediate dissemination of this memorandum is desired. So, ito po yung magiging matrix for the 2D activity of the evaluation and certification for the EngQuest for fiscal year 2021 Category B on September 27 to 28, 2024. So, sa day 1, provision of the accommodation at registration, talagang day 1 lang allotted talaga ang day 1 for the provision of accommodation and registration on the different venues. Sa day 2, magkakaroon na, that's on September 28, 8 to 8:30 ang program preliminaries. 8:30 to 10, the learning discussions on the Philippine Professional Standards for Schoolhead Domains. And then 10 to 10:30 a.m. health break. 10:30 to 12, the post-learning assessment. So dito mangyayari ang assessment. And then 12 p.m. onwards will be the travel time. So ito na po ang isa sa magandang balita para sa mga EngQuest fiscal year 2021 Category B. So, inaantay na lang po natin ngayon ang result ng 2023 EngQuest examination. So, agtabay lang po tayo, lalabas din po ito. So, with that, maraming salamat po, and please share this to all the EngQuest Category B na kilala nyo. Thank you and good day.
Like and subscribe to the L&D channel on YouTube using the link youtube.com/@learn2lead channel. For more information, visit our NAIAP Region 8 official Facebook page at facebook.com/NAIAPRO8.